Adding credit to your phone is very easy. Once you've added credit to your phone, you can renew your data package. You can either add credit at a phone store, where they'll most likely help you, or at a convenience store, where they probably will be able to help you too. The three main Vietnamese network providers are Viettel, Mobifone, and Vinaphone. Before topping up your phone, you can check your balance. On the call pad, dial *101# and press call. It will show you your current balance. Head to a convenience store. Circle K, Family Mart, Ministop, 7-Eleven, all will do. And tell the cashier you want to top up your phone. Tell them which phone network you are using and how much you want to top up. Usually 100,000 Vietnamese dong will be fine. The cashier will give you a receipt with a unique 12-digit number at the bottom. Go to the dial pad on your phone, type *100*, then the 12-digit number, followed by hash, and then click call. You will then receive notification or a text that the top-up was successful. Check your balance again just to confirm by calling *101#. To renew your data package, you will need to open a new text message and send a certain code to a specific number, depending on what network and package you are on. For example, if you are on the Viettel V90 package, open a new message, type V90 and send it to 191. If you have any questions about what package you are on or about how to top up your phone, please ask one of the Intern Vietnam team.